What up, guys? Mischief Guy here from the Mischief Men. Damn, Millennium Motors, that place is for sale and we want it. We need that shop. So, I am on my way to wash my truck real quick, because look, everybody's trying to wash their trucks, their cars, because there's salt all over it. There's salt all over my truck, so I'm trying to go wash that bitch. Yes. I can go do that over at my father's, and then I'm going to help out my uncle and check out my truck, because the front left brake or rotor or something is rubbing. I don't know what the fuck, it's sticking. Maybe the piston in the caliper is all fucked up. I don't know what's going on. I gotta take the wheel off and check that shit. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Not crazy, cool video. It's not gonna be fun. I don't know, it might be fun. We might find something to do. We might find something to get into with Dustin, I don't know. Stay tuned. She's crazy. What are you doing? Light flying? See it? Let's see it. Holy shit! My dad's dog, my dog too, just about fucking died. Wow. Are you trying to die out here? You ran in front of a car. What are you doing? What are you doing, man? That freaking vest is the only thing that saved her. Alright, I'm gonna finish my pressure washing. Almost lost the dog today. Wow. I put a hole in the hose.
How in the fuck?
I guess it got caught on the fucking exhaust. Well, good thing I got the truck done in time. I just put a hole in the pressure washer. That's pretty nice. Did that by the exhaust. It's set somewhere around the exhaust and then put a hole in it. Nice. Now I gotta go to Lowe's and buy a new hose. Alright, off to Lowe's we go. Right now I'm gonna pull my dad's trash cans. For that pressure washer hose, come to Lowe's. Alright, we made it to my uncle's shop. Taking off the tire right now. Alright. Tires are off. Now I have to start taking brakes apart. And we are waiting on rotors right now from Napa. I'd say they're bad. I should have changed them when I rotated the tires like 2-3 weeks ago. Whoop. Yeah, they're not too good anymore. Not at all. That's fucked up. Yeah, from what I can see, they are shot. The back ones, you can tell, are shot. Yeah, we just gonna take them all off. Not much left. Sorry about the music, guys. When Napa brings your rotors real quick. Sweet. Alright, so in all that, we got a bad bearing, if you can see. Yeah. Assembly bearing. So we're about to change that. Napa's sending another one. Oh yeah. Got that wheel hub assembly. Sweet. Ah, what a Monday here at the shop. Today has been a wonderful day. Wonderful day.
That incriminates.
Look at you, yeah.
Adam would even be proud.
Yeah, I guarantee if he was here, he would have fucking laughed his ass off. My dad's dog got hit, and I thought I was going to jail. Motherfuckers pranked me really good. I guess I tapped somebody's car at Sheetz last week and cut my tire. So there's like cuts right here. And I touched somebody's fender, so the police had to try to contact me, and they called my uncle's shop to try to get a hold of me. Yeah, and they played a little prank, saying that I was going to jail for a hit and run and all this other shit, and my heart won't stop pounding right now. Like, I thought I was going to jail. Damn. What a fucking day! I didn't get to film too much, but he got it all done. Hubs on, brakes are on. The bearings in that one. Hubs on this one. Brakes are on. All good. Appreciate my uncle for helping me. Even though he's a fucking asshole.
Here, take back your Duralast brake pads.
Yeah, Dustin.
A real asshole wouldn't let it go that long.
Yeah. Carry you inside.
You didn't bring my shoes?
Alright. On the road again. Truck is fixed. Seems better. I don't hear any screeching from the brakes and shit like that, so yeah. This might be where I end the video. Make sure you guys go like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stay tuned for more videos. Like always, we'll be back.
Dawg, I've been myself since birth, nigga, ain't nothing like y'all.